What did you do to this tissue? Tell me. What did you do? What did you do? What? Did you chew this up? What did you do?
Alright, well, apparently while I was out, somebody got into the kitty cat treats. Denver, did you do this? Denver, was this you? Denver, you won't look at me. Did you? What?
Who took the cookie off the counter?
Oh my God. Who did that? Who did that? Spike? Who did it? Who did it? Did you make that mess?
Come here. Hey, you have a good day? Come here, you have a good day? Did you have a good day? Come here, Missy. Did you have a good day? Huh? Did you have a good day? Daddy loves you. You have a good day? But who tore my pants up, though? Oh, y'all don't want to talk about that? Y'all don't want to talk about that?